Before this video starts, if you haven't already, please consider subscribing. This recipe is as easy as 1, 2, 3, which is basically the steps that we are going to follow here. First, what I'm going to do is pour in my mixing bowl 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. To that heavy whipping cream, I'm going to add part of my condensed milk in there. I'm now going to mix this together until it forms light peaks. Alright, we have light peaks there, so that tells me that my base is ready. And I'm now going to go ahead and pour in the remainder of my condensed milk. And so that I don't have to do a lot of folding, that's the reason that I choose to pour a portion of it in there before I start to mix. So I'm going to pour my vanilla in there. Here you can see I have a tiny bit of cookie butter. This is about 1 teaspoon that I'm putting in here. It doesn't take a lot, but you can always adjust and put more if that is your desired taste. But this is what I'm going to do for mine right here. This is it, our base for our cookie butter ice cream bar. Take your ice cream mold and fill the first one with my cookie butter ice cream bar base. You want to try and settle it a little bit to make sure you don't have any air pockets down in there. On this end here, I'm going to go ahead and add in the base for my strawberry bar. That's perfect. And you take your sticks and gently slide it into the opening there. I'm using half a teaspoon. So let's go ahead and get this into the microwave and see what we're working with. Oh, that's moving smooth. That's how we need it to run. Alright guys, this is it. These are our ice cream bars. And I think they turned out pretty well. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and get these back into the freezer because I do not want them to melt. And this is it guys.